In this video I will show you how to find missing SQLCmd on Windows 10 or 11, and if not found I will show you how to install it. You must find SQLCmd.exe in following location. But you can see here I am not getting tools folder here. So there is no SQLCmd on my computer, so let's install it. For this let's open command prompt as administrator as shown here. If you get the pop-up, click on yes. Now in command prompt type winget install SQLCmd and press enter. It may take some time to download it. If you get this agreement then click on Y button and press enter. You can see now it is installing on your computer. And installation is completed. Now when you try to run SQLCmd in this command prompt, then it will not work. Now we have to set it in environment variable. Now you can go to following location and you will get SQLCmd there. Now double click on it to run. Now to set it in environment variable, let's go to search and type env and then select edit environment variable option from the list. Next click on environment variable button. Next click on path. Next click on edit. Now go and copy the path of SQLCmd. Come to environment variable and then click on new. Then paste down the path you have copied earlier. Then click on OK. Now you can open command prompt anywhere on your computer and check SQLCmd is working or not. You can see I have getting the version of SQLCmd and it shows it is successfully installed. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Also click on bell icon so that you will not miss any update.